What if I told you there's a car so powerful, so luxurious, and so insanely fast, that it shattered every limit ever set for a road car? Today, we're diving deep into the legend, the Bugatti Veyron. Welcome to Car Updater M5G, where you get the real scoop on the world's hottest supercars. Stick around till the end, you won't want to miss a single detail. The Bugatti Veyron is not just a car. It's a symbol of engineering perfection. Launched in 2005, it redefined speed, design, and what we thought was possible on four wheels. A car that effortlessly combined brutal power with elegant luxury. Under the hood, or should I say, behind the driver's seat, lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. That's right, not a V8 or a V12, but a W16. This mechanical beast churns out a mind-melting 1001 horsepower in the standard version. And if that wasn't enough, Bugatti went further with the Veyron Supersport. This upgraded version packs 1,200 horsepower and set a world record with a top speed of 267.8 miles per hour. Just imagine driving at that speed. It's like turning the earth beneath you into a blur. The acceleration? 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's faster than most people can even blink. This kind of performance doesn't just drop jaws, it breaks records. But the Veyron isn't only about speed. It's about craftsmanship. Every single detail inside the cabin is handcrafted, from the premium leather to the aluminum switches. Even the speedometer goes up to 280 miles per hour, just to remind you what this machine is capable of. It took Bugatti over 8 years and nearly $1.7 billion in development to make the Veyron a reality. That's because every component had to be custom designed. Nothing this fast had ever been built for the road before. The cooling system alone uses 10 radiators. That's how intense the power is. Even the tires, specially made by Michelin, cost thousands of dollars and are built to withstand the extreme speed and heat. And let's talk numbers. The original Bugatti Veyron started with a price tag of around $1.7 million. But that's just the start. Today, depending on condition and rarity, used models can go for anywhere between $1.5 million and $3 million. The ultra-rare Veyron Supersport or Grand Sport Vitesse? Easily $3 million to $4 million or even higher in auctions. It's not a car you see every day. Only 450 Veyrons were ever made, including all variants. That makes it not just a car, but a collector's dream. Driving one is not just an experience, it's a privilege. You're not just moving fast, you're traveling in something that belongs more in a museum than a freeway. And yet, it's street legal. The Veyron also brought Bugatti back into the limelight. Owned by Volkswagen Group at the time, Bugatti was revived specifically to make this hypercar. It wasn't just about profits, it was about making a statement. And oh boy, what a statement it was. The car community was left speechless. Even legends like Jeremy Clarkson from Top Gear called it the greatest car ever made. And many still agree with that today, even with newer models like the Chiron now on the roads. Let's not forget the legacy. The Veyron laid the foundation for the hypercar war. Brands like Koenigsegg, Hennessy, and even Tesla were pushed to rethink speed and performance. The Veyron didn't just raise the bar, it became the bar. If you're wondering about fuel economy, let's just say, it drinks like a beast. At full throttle, it can empty its 26.4-gallon tank in under 12 minutes. But let's be honest, if you can afford a Veyron, fuel bills aren't your concern. Maintenance costs? Sky high. An oil change can cost around $20,000. Replacing the tires? Around $30,000. But again, when you're buying a $2 million car, those numbers just come with the territory. Despite the price and upkeep, the Veyron isn't about practicality. It's about making the impossible, possible. It's a car that screams, this is what happens when limits don't exist. And here's a fun fact, the Bugatti Veyron has a special key called the speed key. You insert it to unlock its full top speed potential. Without it, the car is electronically limited. That's how much power is packed under the hood. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a collector, or just someone who appreciates engineering genius, the Veyron is the definition of all. It's not just a supercar. It's the car that changed the game. And now, a quick shout to all the true car lovers out there. If you're enjoying this deep dive into one of the world's most iconic machines, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Show your love by liking the video, sharing it with fellow car enthusiasts, and staying tuned for more epic rides here on Car Updater M5G. You've just taken a virtual ride in the Bugatti Veyron. The legend. The beast. The masterpiece. And guess what? More automotive legends are coming your way soon. So buckle up, subscribe, and keep watching. This is Car Updater M5G, your home for the ultimate car updates.